Gazelle collected data about the age and range of a small company. She used statistical software to draw a scatter graph. Okay, give one advantage. You can say it reduces human error, it's quicker, it's easier, something like that. Right. So she's got two correlations. Spearmans says 0.95 and Peasons says 0.77. Describe and interpret the type of correlation. Right, describe, I'd say it is a strong positive correlation. Interpret, I will say that as the salaries increase, the age also increases. Okay, it's important to do both. Yeah, which of the two correlation coefficients in the table best represents a stronger correlation? I'd say Spearmans represents stronger correlation because it's closest to 1. I'd use those exact words. For C, which one of these two diagrams most likely represents the data? Now, if you look at one, one's very linear and one's a lot less linear. Now, because Spearmans is higher, yeah, Pearson's you can only use for linear data, so this actually looks like it's Spearmans because it's higher and so less linear. Okay. Brett wants to use the Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient to compare the salaries of male employees and female employees. Explain why it's not appropriate. Well, essentially because you need bivariate data for Pearson's moment correlation coefficient. Okay, if you don't know what that means, essentially think about it, you need a data point to connect to like scores. So you could say that what is a pupil, we compare a stats scores and the maths scores of a school because those pupils will do maths and stats. Yeah, but there isn't somebody in that employee who earns a male wage and earns a female wage. So I say those two scores are not related enough.